cattle.
Quite cute for cattle.
He's so cute. Oh.
So if you guys want, you can feed these guys. Does anyone want some food?
Can I?
Yeah, definitely. So you've just got to kind of put your whole hand
Just gotta
up and
put a
let
whole
it go.
hand out. Hello. There you go. I think there's one stuck on my sleeve. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Hello. Hi. Hi.
So now they're really good for their meat. You get venison from them.
Hello. Hello. So soft. Hey, Sky. Hey.
They're missing.
Hello. You're so cute. Jess. Hello.
Difference in like cleanliness.
Oh, she's kissing. Hello. You loving? Hi. You're so cute.
Shrubs and
Hello. Good girl.
Mediterranean.
Hey. Do you want some food? Yeah, you do. Hello. It's all gone. Your friend took it. Sorry. Hey. Hello. Hey, babies. Hi, baby. Hi. Come on, baby. Hey. Hi. It's okay. Good girl.
You got any food? No. Have you saved my spot?
Hi, beautiful. Hi. Hey.
Which is why I asked.
She's a good girl, aren't you? A bit more confident now. Shh, good girl. Look at them. They're so fluffy.
Fluffy
Hello.
because catching on the grass and maybe even 5 months ago. So
Oh, good job. Oh, look at his little afro haircut. Hey.
You guys will notice.
Hi, gorgeous. Hey.
no, just give me the bucket.
I'll have that. Hi.
No, it's a camera. You can't use it. You don't have a thumb.
But I want to try.
Okay, wait.
Hello.
They're pretty temperamental animals.
Hi. And some foods. Oh, there you go. I'm just going to wipe my hand on you. It's your spit, you can have it back. Hello.
Bye.
She's like, I'll go fetch the sheep for you.
She wants to help too.
Hi, babies. Hi. Hey.
He's got some. Hello. But it's still bottle fed as well, so he doesn't need to come up. Really. If he does, get a pat on. He's pretty friendly.
Like a wee swat and seeing his belly is very stuck at a young age because we do have New Zealand dolphins near stuff in the areas and they can
Hey, baby. Oh, back on. Go, go. Bye, Jess. It was lovely meeting you. Good girl. We're back. We're back. Back. Look at this glorious sunshine. Sunshine. But we've still got us big fleeces on. That is it for the Walter Peak farm. We're going to go back into the house, villa, and then we are going to then go back to the house and get ready for the hot stone pools, and then go there.
Steady and warm back in the car.
Yeah. So we have 6 identical hot pools here. They all look out over the Shotover River. You guys are going to be in pool number 2 today. Just at the bottom of the stairs there is our first toilet. Oh, sorry. On the right hand side of this corridor you have the female changing room first, followed by the male, and then there's a bathroom and a shower. That's our only shower outside of the pool room, just so you are aware of that. But you do have one in here. So this is your room. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Better than Instagram, right? Yeah. So this is totally private in here, so if any of you want to shower and change in here, you can do. We do just ask that everyone has a really quick rinse in the shower before they jump in. There are 4 buttons on the floor over here. They control everything in your room. One of those buttons adds cold water. In here, that's the one that's closest to us. If you do press that, the cold water comes shooting from the ceiling into the centre. It's pretty cold, so you might just want to watch out the way of that one. Lovely. Enjoy yourselves then, guys.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, and here's all of our snacks and drinks and a cute little candle.
That smells yummy.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're in the hot tub. Look at that purview.
Oh my god.
It's amazing. Holly, you can't have only just noticed the view.
Have you seen that over there? Just where the sun's setting.
Oh, that's
Sun's coming
nice.
down.
Oh. Keep putting my hand back in the water. I've done it again.
Whilst telling us that you keep putting your hand in the water, you put your hand in the water.
I'm going to keep my hand out. Can I come to the edge? The sun is setting over there, so we will get a bit of sunset, but we won't get like the view sort of thing that I was expecting. Oh, it's nice over there as well. So we're in the Olsen.
Blocked the ejector.
What's it called? Olsen. Olsen? Olsen? Onsen. Onsen. Onsen hot pools. There's 6 hot tubs with this view, and it's very good. You get. Have we had like an extra package then? Because we've had snacks and alcohol. Okay. So I guess you can do that. You can add them on, but you can buy them because the couple before us had got a different package, and they decided just to have water. But
Put me in the background in your ice cream.
yes, I've framed it very well. I'm going to eat up my ice cream. I've had bubbly, Dad's had a cider, Mum's had white wine, Holly's had some strange juice drink. They don't have Coke products, it's just juices. So, I don't know if you're allowed to bring your own. Could you bring your own?
No.
You could have brought a bottle of Coke.
How are they supposed to?
Oh yeah, because you've got all your bags and everything in here. You can get changed in here, or there's changing rooms. But it's very nice. That's fine. I'm gonna go and enjoy my ice cream
Really
now.
great getting changed here.
Oh, I'll see you in an hour.
I don't think anybody can see that.
No, can you imagine, Dad? Dad got changed in here whilst we went into the changing rooms. But there's a little town house over there. Can you imagine someone with a little telescope watching people get changed in the hot tubs?
Just in that cave over there, halfway up.
Yeah, there's somebody out on there with some binoculars, always watching. Right, I'm going to set the GoPro off and we will watch the sunset. See you in an hour. Bye bye. 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 Big mouthful.